kids, my name is Oscar Hunker. I'm gonna make my first Mighty Machine video. So I'm gonna use a skid steer and Jeep, and also the dump truck. My name is Small Digger, and I am gonna fill up this dump truck. You know his name, but you don't know mine. Mine is Small Digger. I was the one that doesn't have tracks. That world was talking about. So I'm going to do this hole. Yes, we have some trucks left that we don't really are going to use to dig the hole. They're going to do different work. So I'm the last. I'm one of the last machines that are doing what I'm doing. That I'll do. We have two more. Since I'm so tiny, I'm done my job. So now he's gonna go back to home. Right here. Now he flipped. Okay, he was just right there. Now I'm going back where I am. Last year. Done with that guy. Now we're moving on to big drum. Oh, it's not big drum, but I'm going to flatten this. That's all I do. I only flatten all this. Sides, the top, and then this. Go flatten. I'm done. Now we're going to make a road. And here's grade. Come on, kids. I'm grading. I'm going to grade up here. I'm making a road. So it's flat. Now I made another road. Since that I'm done. Moving on to plastic track and also mash them. These takes way more than Spider! Spider, go one way. Kids, I am plastic truck. The hole is too deep for me to reach. Well, I'm gonna dig up the sides. Here is Biggie. Here is Massive Polly. He is going to take all this dirt away. I'm digging a trench. Not easy as digging a trench as it looks. You have to practice digging a trench. Want to see a real excavator in action? Well, I'm gonna make the sound. I'll make the sound when it dumps. Now I'm done digging the trench. When I'm done digging the trench, I'm going to shut off. When we shut off when I'm done digging the trench. Well, you can see a light. Now we're done digging the trench. Now he's gonna go down below. Target. I'm gonna dump the load over here in the steep hill. I think I didn't tell you, but my name is Jackson Paul. I did clear most of the dirt away. Since now that we're done, I'm going to dump in the water. You're right, it's coming out. I'm trying to get all the cement here. There, now I got the last of it. Now we're gonna have rinse out. After real cement mixes, they like to get them washed off. I'm gonna go get more water. I'm gonna clean out here. There. Now we just have to have the inspector to come in. Okay, let me see. Perfect! Looks like you've done it. I'm the inspector. I look at the house. We already made the house. We just have to do the pool. There. Okay, I'm going to talk about the difference between tracks and tires. Tires, you can move on roads. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trucks that have tires and one in the background. And now we're going to talk about tracks. Tracks give you more stability and traction to move around. So that's it. Bye kids, see you next time. Thank you for watching.